look at what we got here today. L&W. Got some new seat bases to lower the seats for the shorter cage in the back. Got some directions here?
We got directions.
You gonna follow them?
Possibly.
Probably not. Wing it?
Yep.
So I guess, is this what gets shorter here?
Yeah. And then it's got a 5-degree recline on it.
Look at that. There's quite a bit that goes into this, actually. Huh. Oh, it's got the piece for the fifth point too. I like that.
Yeah.
You just bolt it on, right? Just kidding. You gotta use the slider. Does this side not have a slider?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, because the slider I think you gotta use from
the
stock one.
Stock. But they send this piece here.
Oh yeah.
Polaris is sending a new one.
Huh. Oh yeah, that's just the OEM part.
And you gotta use that clip out of there.
Huh. Well, let's see how it goes. So I guess the hardest part is the latch part, huh? So you reuse the original spring. They gave you that part. This part's new?
Yeah.
Yeah, L&W gives you that part. And you reuse the back part of the latch contraption. But what I was having, well, I guess if it's not tight, that's what was going on over there.
Yeah.
If it's not tight, that spring pops out and then you can't get the seat base back off. Yeah, then that goes there. The difference between passenger seat, because it doesn't have a slider or anything, so you just kind of position those where the old ones were. This one's different because it's got the slider. It uses the stock handle and everything. And then the nuts, the bolts that bolt the base to the seat have got a little collar on them, so that it'll slide after that's in there. The other one doesn't have that, that's just straight bolts. I think I have that stuff.
Then when you take this out, just give that a little tug to.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
They tell you that in the instructions too.
Oh, maybe that was a Can-Am seat, but I thought one of them you had to like take all this stuff apart. But I don't know. Pull it down. The other one was all the way towards the back, so like to up. So
probably somewhere close with the front of the bracket, huh? Very good.
Yeah, get them fairly tight because the spring was coming off when they weren't tight enough before. And we can always loosen them back up a little bit.
Let me put another one on this then. Okay.
Huh? Oh. Well, let's see what it looks like. So then, bring the base over to the rig. Stick it in the slot. And then kind of, you have to adjust it so that, oh, this one looks pretty good. Looks like we're pretty close. Because if you get it too far forward, this thing will rattle in here, is what the directions say anyway.
Directions?
What directions? Alright. Good.
Oh yeah, we forgot to measure.
Your height?
Yeah.
Good. Sit in there. Well, we kind of got another one from a different video. Took your hat off. Definitely lower. Probably about 2 inches. You can definitely wear your helmet now if you needed to.
Yeah.
It's better than the old one that broke the first day you had it.
And these are supposed to work with PRP seats too, so I'm gonna get me some PRP seats.
Big money. Wait, one done. This isn't a very long job at all. So then this goes here. I guess it just slides metal to metal. I mean,
Well, that's why the spacer's in here.
well,
too, so it'll-
yeah, I know, but when you're sitting on it, it's still going to be metal to metal. But I think that's how the old ones are too. So
well, plastic to metal.
this is metal.
Yeah, but these are plastic.
Oh yeah, the old ones are. You don't have to take that little gold thing off.
No, that's fabricated into the new bracket.
Fancy.
Because I'm assuming if that was made with plastic, it would probably not hold up.
Probably not. There's a lot to this bracket. A lot of bends and stuff over there. $100 for both of them.
Yeah.
So not too bad. I like the 5th point harness.
70
spot.
a piece or 100 for the set.
Oh yeah. Was that on a deal though?
Said it was a sale.
Is it not going on there?
Oh yeah, it rides in that spacer, so it's got it.
What if this one's in the way? Here.
There we go.
Yeah, it's gotta be this thing. Way off now. Maybe just put it on. Yeah, look, yeah. You can get one of these little clamps too if you want it. Clamp it over and screw it in there or something.
Yeah, it's not really gonna pull on it there.
Oh well. There.
There she goes.
See? Just needed me to put the stupid camera down.
Yeah.
You're probably gonna have to sit on it and move it to do that. Or loosen them up and put Loctite on it. I should probably put Loctite on them anyway, honestly. There you go. Do it. There you go. I was wondering if it was going to take a little maneuvering. Honestly, you never move your seat anyway. You can definitely tell over here you're lower. Probably pull up that clip from the other video because I think your head was like there.
Yeah.
So, sweet. About the easiest install ever. What did it take, 20 minutes?
Something like that.
Now we're going to do the rest of the night.
Work on the bumper.
Bumper? Ryan's not here. How are we going to do that?
What were you doing?